everyone. Today we are going to see about find the poles of z cube minus 1 divided by z cube plus 1. So the solution is first we consider this z cube minus 1 divided by z cube plus 1. So we have to find the poles. So for poles we have to take the denominator equal to 0. So that is z cube plus 1 equal to 0, and we have to simplify this for having a third as a polynomial in degree, and we have to use the synthetic division method. That is for example, z cube, this is in the form of 0 z square plus 0 z plus 1 equal to 0. It can be written as this. So the coefficient of z are taken and written here. So the coefficient of z cube is 1, the coefficient of z square is 0, and the coefficient of z is 0, and the coefficient of here is 1. So constant is 1. So we have to written this, and we have to use minus 1. We have to put 0 in the first one, and if we add means we get 1, and we have to multiply these two. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. We have to add this minus 1. We have to multiply this, that is 1, and we have to add this in this row. In this column we have to in this row we have to add, and this for this, after this substitution we have to multiply the values and the corresponding added value. So if we add this value means we have to multiply these two value and write in the next column, and then we have to add, and then we have to multiply, and that value should be written in the next column, and we have to add. Likewise we have to do means here definitely it will become a 0. That means only we can able to get the zeros of the equations. That means the 0 is considered here as a pole. So for this we have to consider the equations. We have to split this equation into z. If we put minus means we have to write z plus 1. If it is a positive value means we have to write z minus 1, and it is a minus value, so z plus 1, this can be written as in the form of constant z square. That means z square minus z plus 1 equal to 0. So z equal to 1 is a 0 of z cube plus 1, and then we have to find the 0 of z. That means we have to find the z values. So how we find means it cannot be factorized in the tree method. So we use the formula, that is z equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided to a. Here a is 1 and b is minus 1, c is 1. So if we substitute, instead of b we have to substitute minus 1 root 1 minus 4 into 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 1, and if we simplify means we get minus 2 minus plus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 4 divided by 2, that is 1 plus or minus root of minus 3 divided by 2. And if we take a minus 1, root of minus 1 is I, so that is placed here, 1 plus or minus root 3i divided by 2. So the poles are z equal to 1, and the values 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2i are the poles of z cube minus 1 divided by z cube plus 1. Hope you all understand, and thank you.